compare two columns using pandas. Using this as a starting point, which looks like. I want to use something like an if statement within pandas. Basically, create a new column by checking each row via the if statement. The docs say to use .all, but there is no example.
You could use np.where. If cond is a Boolean array, and A and B are arrays, then define C to be equal to A where cond is true, and B where cond is false. Yields. If you have more than one condition, then you could use np.select instead. For example, if you wish dfk to equal df2, when df1 is lower than df2, then yields. If we can assume that df1 is greater than or equal to df2, when df1 is lower than df2 is false, then the conditions and choices could be simplified too. The assumption may not be true if df1 or df2 contain nans. Note that defines a data frame with string values. Since they look numeric, you might be better off converting those strings to floats. This changes the results, however, since strings compare character by character, while floats are compared numerically.
You can use .equals for columns or entire data frames. If they're equal, that statement will return true, else false. You could use apply and do something like this. Or if you prefer not to use a lambda.
One way is to use a Boolean series to index the column df1. This gives you a new column where the true entries have the same value as the same row as df1, and the false values are nan. The Boolean series is just given by your if statement, although it is necessary to use an instead of and. If you want the nan values to be replaced by other values, you can use the fill method on the new column k. I've used 0 instead of the empty string here.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.